Do your industrial processes use nitrogen or argon, oxygen, carbon dioxide? Your operations are energy consuming. And if cooling through a water circuit is required, EcoChiller provides an efficient answer to this problem. Air Liquide has developed for you EcoChiller, a very efficient heat exchanger system allowing to reduce your energy consumption. Our molecules are stocked in cryogenic tanks and need to be warm before being used in your industrial processes. EcoChiller takes advantage of this cold energy by our molecule vaporization to cool down your water cooling installation. This gives you the ability to make energy savings. Savings are estimated in comparison with the conventional electrical vaporizer. For CO2, as vaporization temperature is much higher, an additional source of energy is required, often by electrical heating. In this case, EcoChiller also contributes to save this additional energy, a double advantage for CO2.
For Liquide Brewery, the EcoChiller is really a win-win solution. With the EcoChiller, we drastically reduced our energy consumption by replacing steam with warm water generated from an energy recovery system. And by doing so, we reduced our carbon footprint, but also generated interesting savings. The system is totally scalable, so we plan to connect additional process so as to recover cold energy.
EcoChiller is an easy-to-install and adaptable equipment offering a lot of benefits: energy savings, carbon footprint reduction, process stability, and regularity. And are you ready to install and benefit from this innovative equipment? Contact Air Liquide.